I got to build these headlights for ChrisFix's.
Chris is taking his BMW to SEMA and he asked us to build these headlights for him.
When building these, I learned that I really don't know a whole lot about BMWs.
Chris has an E46 and I never realized that there were two versions of the E46.
This one is the later version that has this extra long swoop. The early version has two smaller ones.
I accidentally ordered the early version and had to return those and get this set, and we had to really hustle to get these done before SEMA.
For the halos, we went with the BavGruppe E46 halo. The install for them is way different than regular halos, but it ended up working out. They are a very, very tight fit, which looks good in the end result, but does make the install a lot more difficult.
I'm pretty stoked how they turned out, especially after installing these halos. There was several issues that I ran into, but I was able to get them and I didn't have to trim too many things to get them to fit.
I hope Chris likes them. If not, that's okay. I'm more than willing to get him another set.
But I do ask that he doesn't race with these on because they did take a long time to build. Of course, he can do whatever he wants with them.